lähikoulun õpetaja kolmannella luokalla. Selkäni takana on meidän ihana koulu, jossa opiskelee 666 opiskelijat. Kolmannella luokan pojat haluavat tutustua itseni enemmän. Tutustuitte neille.
Hello, we are the third B class in Haagri School. In our class has only boys.
Hi, I am Gren.
And I'm Roland. We're wearing our school uniform.
And this is our classroom.
They love to do very many different things, so they would like to introduce themselves through their interests. There are Alex, Lauri, Oliver, Sander and Kaspar playing boys' favorite winter game, the snowball fight.
Aaron and Sander have played football already 5 years and they really love this game.
Carl Marcus is keen on playing the guitar.
Oliver and Ilmar play ping pong almost every day after the lessons.
Lucas and Tauri's favorite subject is carpentry.
Uku Paava's favorite music instrument is definitely the piano.
Paavo Andrei, Tauri and Kenneth Christian are interested in gymnastics. Roland, Hugo and Frederick are interested in nature sciences.
In our school, we have our own swimming pool. Mihkel, Sander, Mark, Kristjan and Gren use this opportunity every week during their swimming trainings.
But Gert is definitely our class best ballroom dancer. So this is us. We hope to hear from you soon as well.